for someone, looking to learn Python today, why would you say it is a good choice? What makes Python particularly well suited for certain types of programming?
hmm Well, first of all, the learning curve is not steep. It's a language that it's practically English, so it's very readable and easy to learn the fundamentals, I mean. It runs everywhere, so it's portable. It's extremely coherent, logical, it's elegant. Guido van Rossum, who designed it, has a degree in maths and computer science, and you can really see that in the way Python was designed. To give you a little examples, there's languages where you have different types of collections. And if you want to know how many items are there in that collection, some of them you have to go dot size, some of them you go dot length, some of them you go dot items. Whereas in Python, you just put the collection in a call to the length function and and it doesn't matter what collection is. So it's really easy to guess, even if you don't know. Sometimes it's easy to guess what's the function that you need to use or what's the method that you need to use. So it really helps not having to hold in your brain 7,000 different exceptions and all that. It's extremely as well concise. So on average, a Python program is about 1/4 the size of an equivalent Java or a C++ program. There is an amazing community around, the globe. It's everywhere. It has an extensive standard library as well as a whole bunch of third-party libraries that are available to everyone on PyPI. And basically, it's very likely when you need to do something in Python that someone else has already built a library for that. So
Yes.
when you write your programs, you can leverage other people's work, which is great because you don't have to reinvent the wheel all the time. It integrates well with other languages as well, so you can extend it. And I know Google for many years used Python as a kind of like glue to glue together different several bits and pieces written in other languages. Now it's even more prominent, the use that they do of Python. And it has become the de facto standard for data science.
Yeah.
And its beauty, I think, lies in, for me at least, if you study how Python leverages protocols like the generator protocol and the iterator protocol, the way it does polymorphism, the way you can do multiple inheritance and all this stuff, there's a lot of freedom and power in the way Python is designed. It's known as language for adults because basically it's not constrictive. Like if you use Java, when I write Java, I feel a little bit claustrophobic sometimes and I realize it's because I'm used to writing Python. So
Python. Yeah.
yeah. So there's all these, when you put them together, it's a lot of qualities that Python has.